Hey moms, Chelsea from Attention to Details here, and today I am working on my son's first grade teacher van. This was actually my thank you gift to her, and I want to share with you guys a super quick way to clean out the back of your van. So let me show you what I'm working on and what I'm talking about. Alright, you can see this is very usual for a minivan. We've lifted up all the seats, pulled all the carpets out. There's a lot of dirt kind of blown into the track. I want to show you guys, this is the X-Power blower. You can get this off of Amazon. You can use this to blow your sidewalks off. You can use it for inside your home, for computer screens. Look how fast this is, but look, this is what I'm doing right here. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we'll blow all that out and we'll vacuum it up. So let's take a look of just blowing it out. As you can see, I haven't even plugged my shop vac in, and there was so much sand in here. Blew all that sand out. It's just shortened my vacuum cycle by possibly hours. And take a look at that. Maybe 5-10 minutes of blowing. Now I do have to vacuum out down there because a majority of the debris in the back kind of blew down there, but that's okay because it's covered in sand, and I really didn't want to have to deal with kind of a tornado of dirt. But you can see we got a majority of the dirt and things from the track blown out, and so now I can come in with my shop vac and my dry brush and I will get a majority of the remainder dirt. But for any of you who are wanting to kind of accelerate your detail time, if you're a mom and dad and your kids just leave a lovely gift left behind that is just sometimes too much to handle, seriously, blow it out. So I hope you guys enjoy that quick tip. I know that it definitely helped cool me off for a brief second, but I'm going to keep moving on this detail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the blower, I'm going to put the link down below on where you can purchase it on Amazon. It's a fantastic product. You can use it for interiors, for blowing out dirt and debris and sand. You can use it for exteriors, for drying your vehicle off, getting in all those nooks and crannies, cleaning out your side mirrors so that way you don't have those annoying drips and in all your little intricate areas. You can even use it around the house for blowing your sidewalks off, cleaning your computers, blowing the kids crap out of their room. I know, maybe, I don't know, but anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for any future videos. God bless.